Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at what can be expected in the month of April. So as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what can be expected for Sagittarians in the month of April. Where are the cards flying? Let's see what are the what can be expected for Sagittarians. Messages for Sagittarians. Okay, so we have the Knight of Cups, the Eight of Cups, the Justice, Seven of Swords, the Two of Cups, the Queen of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Magician. Okay, so Sagittarians, you are ready for a new beginning, opening up for love, I should say, or open emotionally, and you are ready to leave the past behind while you are moving towards this new love or new person or new offer, whatever it is. So here you are definitely ready to or willing to open up emotionally and ready to leave whatever was holding you back or whatever was important at some point in time. So you're ready to leave that baggage, you're ready to leave those emotional things which were which you were emotional about at some point in time, and you are with the Justice card being there, what I feel is you are, because here you are definitely walking away from something, you're leaving behind something while you are opening up for something new. Okay, and with the Justice card, what I feel here is there is some sort of a decision which is being made. So maybe this is a decision which you are making to leave something behind and opening up for somebody new or someone new. Okay, and with the Seven of Swords, the Two of Cups, and the Queen of Swords, what I feel is though you are making this decision, but there is something going on here, because with the Two of Cups there is a beautiful partnership, but then somebody here either is not committing, or somebody here is cheating, lying, being deceptive. Somebody here is not behaving in a proper way or in a healthy way. So somebody here is cheating on you, or is hiding something for you, or is not committing. Okay, so there is a decision which has to be made over here in this relationship, in which somebody either is hiding something or is not committing, whatever it is. And with the Queen of Swords being there, what I feel is because of this reason there is some sort of detachment or less communication. So you are behaving in a distant way, or you're not talking to this person because of this reason that they are not committing, or they are not that sincere or that open as you would really want them to be. And somehow I don't know why. See, somehow what I feel is that since there has been some sort of a cheating and lying, and somebody here either is not committing the relationship in this relationship, and so I think you are cutting your ties from this person, or detaching yourself, I should say, you're detaching yourself from this relationship or this person over here, whosoever it is. And with the Ten of Pentacles and the Six of Cups, what I feel is somehow what I'm feeling is it is like coming back home to your parents type of an energy somehow. I don't know why I'm getting that, but it is like, okay, if you're not committing, I'm not there for you. I'm okay with my family wherever I am. It's, to me, it's something, the vibe which I'm getting is as if you are leaving this situation and coming back to your family, like your parents or your loved ones. And because we have the Six of Cups over here, that is a reconciliation energy. So you are, maybe that is what I'm getting, maybe you're detaching yourself from this person and coming to your family, or your where you spent your childhood, or reconciling with your old family and friends, something like that. And you're spending time alone, you're focusing on yourself, and but yes, you are ready for a new beginning. So you've understood that this is not going to work, so you are detaching yourself from it. See, one more thing is that maybe you were ready to leave the past behind for this new love. But maybe since we have the decision card over here with the Justice and the Seven of Swords, and here we have the Queen, it can be that you have realized that, okay, there is some sort of a cheating and mind games going on. So I need to move away and make a decision over here. So it can be that way around also. But whatever it is, anyway, you are leaving this situation, and it's again and again strongly which I'm getting is you are leaving this lover of yours and getting back to your family or your parents type of a thing, or something which is stable and committed over here, which you can always come back to type of thing. And you are reconciling with your loved ones, focusing on your healing, focusing on yourself. And you've understood that there is no point in investing over there, and you are ready for a new beginning over here with the Magician. So let's see what are the messages from, what's the message from this deck for Sagittarians. Okay, yes, you are reviewing and contemplating. You are just going to and fro in your mind as to, with the Jack of Hearts, as to what should I do, what should I not do. Yes, there is a time of indecision over here. You are reviewing and contemplating the entire decision before you make a right choice or a right decision. Guidance from the angels is Five of Emotion. Forgiveness is a part of healing. Forgive yourself and those around you for any mistakes of the past so that everyone can move forward. Grieving is a normal part of life. Ask your angels or those you love to help you to move through the process quickly so that you can get back to the path of joy. So, Sagittarians, it's very, I should say, right reading. I should say you're taking the right decision ultimately. So I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.